playing with blocks and my favorite bear. I'm playing with blocks and my favorite bear when suddenly I feel a tingle down there. I stop what I'm doing, no time to delay. I tell my grown-up potty right away. Time to go potty, time to try. You can do it, you don't need to cry. Off to the bathroom, proud and strong. You got this now, it won't take long. I walk to the potty, not too slow. I know where it is, so off I go. I pull down my pants and underwear, then sit on the seat with time to spare. Time to go potty, just sit tight. Take a deep breath, it'll be alright. Sometimes it takes a little while, so just relax with a patient smile. When I am done, I wipe so clean from front to back. Keep fresh and keen, I drop the paper, flush it away, then wave and cheer. I did it today! Time to go potty, now you're done. Let's wash our hands, it's part of the fun. I wash my hands with soap and song, scrub up and down, 20 seconds long. I rinse and dry with a towel near, feeling proud I did it with cheer. Back to my toys with a happy heart. I used the potty, I played my part. Time to go potty, now you know. You'll feel so great from head to toe. You're growing up, it's clear to see. The potty's where it's fun to be.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Brave Kid adventures.